Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to delete all watch later videos on YouTube. So this is a quick and easy guide. Let's go ahead and begin. Okay, first we're gonna open YouTube, and once we've opened, make sure that the account that you'd like to delete all the watch later videos is logged in. You can assure that by checking on the top right corner of your screen. As you can see, there is a letter D pertaining to the first letter of the email that is logged in. And once you make sure, let's go ahead and go to the library by tapping on the library icon on the lower right corner of our screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped it, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, there are two ways on removing the watch later video. First one is by tapping on the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the video that you'd like to delete, just like this one. And when you tap it, you will see the option remove from watch later. Let's go ahead and try to tap it. See, the video is now deleted. And the other way to do this is to swipe the video to the left, just like this one, and the remove button will be presented to you. Let's go ahead and tap it. And there is another one, but it only applies to the one that you've already watched. You can delete the watched videos by tapping on the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. When you tap it, you will be presented with this set of settings, and as you can see, there is an option that you can tap to remove watched videos. But if you haven't watched it, you're gonna have to delete it or remove manually one by one. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.